Well, hey! Falconer Swirless here, once again, in front of and behind the camera. So, today, instead of watching the Seahawks play football, if that's what they want to call it, I'm going to do what I can to restore or get back into play my Monroe cache. That one is called Fortunate Son. Happens to be in Travelers Park. That's what the original name was. Now it's been renamed to Veterans Memorial Park, right on the corner of Highway 2 and Transient. Oh, I mean another street. Yeah, so it likes to sprout legs and take off, so I'm going to find a more permanent way to, or semi-permanent way of getting this back into play and see if it'll last more than about 8 months at a time. I'm pretty sure this fake sprinkler system will be the ticket. I've seen them on eBay a couple times, so I'm not too surprised that it will be a fairly easy conversion, but I'm not sure because I've never really done it. That's why I kind of wanted to do it right on cue, or at least if not on camera. And once I do manage to figure out a way to store it in here, once I get it out and deployed into the field, I know that this distance between the head of the sprinkler and the body of the sprinkler, that it just won't fit properly. So I'm going to try and figure it out. I believe this will be enough of the distance to mitigate that, but just being stuck ass to it, it's going to really make it stand out. So I'm going to try and solve one problem at a time and not try and do both at the same time. It ends disastrously for the most part. More from me later. Alright, well, I figured out one problem. This guy will be coming loose once I kind of gutted the container. So what I could do is glue this piece down, like so, and then simply glue the bison tube end in there. Viole drops off camera. That's why I don't do this stuff live. I can edit it out later if I wanted to. And then that way I can get the logbook in here. And then there'll be room for swag, I think. I don't know. I'm really concerned about this bottom piece. So I want to figure out a way to plug it up.